I just got this in the mail and I'm excited to show you what it is. We're going to try it out on these earrings right here. Let's open it up and see what's in here. It's called an Ear-Ees customizer. I never seen one of these until recently, so I'm going to try it out, see if it works. It looks like a vintage type tool. And here it is. Anybody know what that is? That is used for crimping the backs of clip earrings. Looks like it's got some corrosion. Let's pull the instructions out. It says, custom fit your earrings to your ears. You grasp the earring clasp and lift. On the earring. And then select desired size of customizer. Insert the clasp between the jaws of the customizer. Apply slight pressure and enjoy the comfort. Okay, so we can loosen it with this tool and we can tighten it with this tool. Let's try it. So I have these earrings here. They're really pretty and I just couldn't get rid of them, but the backs are slightly loose. This one is much worse than the other one. This one at least clamps down, which is nice, but I think it needs to be tightened a little bit because I don't think it's going to help support the weight of this climber earring. So let's see what we can do. So this is what it's telling me to do. I clamp this over top the back of this earring so it pushes this thing down and this thing down over that little lever or edge there, and this pushes up the middle. So let's try this slightly. Nope, it's still too loose. Let me give it a little more pressure. I just broke it. So you apparently don't need that much pressure. Very, very, very sad. Didn't feel like it was bending at all. Let me try it on this one since I broke the other one. I'm just putting slight pressure on it. That one felt like it was bending more. I think you have to keep it maybe in the closed position. It still feels the same. Broke that one too. It's a very touchy back on this. Well, what a shame. Some nice earrings that no longer are useful unless I put a different clasp on the back, which I don't know how to do, so I can't solder. So that's the end of these. Do I suggest this tool? If I can figure out how to use it, I will let you know without breaking any more. I'll try it on an old piece of jewelry, which I should have done first, and I'll let you know. Okay, I found another old earring that doesn't have the match to it anymore, and this clip is loose. See how loose that is? I can flip it up with one finger. Let's tighten it and see what it does. To loosen it, you hold the tool this way. To tighten it, you hold it this way. So you get it set in the center, and then you pinch. I can feel it's tight already. It works much better with an actual heavier metal clip back, it looks like. Them other earrings must have been pretty thin metal. See how tight that is now? So it does work. Okay, I recommend it, but I think you need to be very gentle with it when you use it, just in case it could possibly break this little metal piece. You see how it has an indentation in it now? That's probably going to make it weak, but it is tight now, which is all good. Do I like the tool? I sure do. It's called Ear-Ees Customizer. So that's all I have. Thank you very much for joining me. See you on the next one.